Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome to our first lesson on Nahu, Arabic grammar. Inshallah, over the few weeks, we are going to explore the basics of Nahu, Arabic grammar, in a bite-sized lessons. So today, we are going to be introducing to us the book we'll be using, which is Ajrumiyyah, Matn al-Ajrumiyyah. The book Ajrumiyyah was written by Ibn Ajrum, a Moroccan scholar born in the 13th century. His full name was Abu Abdullah Sidi Muhammad Bun Dawood As-Sanaaji. The book Matn al-Ajrumiyyah is a concise manual on Arabic grammar, focusing on the foundational concepts that are essential for the understanding of the language. The book Ajrumiyyah covers three main parts of Arabic speech, which are noun, ismun, verb, fa'ilun, particle, harf. Each sections of this book dive deep into these elements, explaining their functions and rules. By mastering the concepts in the book Ajrumiyyah, you will be better equipped to read and understand classical Arabic texts, in fact, including the Quran. Alright, so inshallah, in our next class, we are going to discuss the importance of Arabic grammar and how it helps in the understanding of the Holy Quran. Alright, see you next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.